upbeat music playing, camera zooms in on the two UPS battery replacements, product A on the left and product B on the right. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of UPS battery replacements. Get ready for a showdown between the genuine APC UPS battery replacement and the UPSBatteryCenter RBC154. Let's see which one will keep your devices powered up and your wallet happy. First up, let's talk about the price. The genuine APC UPS battery replacement, product A, is priced at around $75. Reviewers have noted that while it is a bit pricey, they appreciate its quality and reliability, with one mentioning it's a perfect replacement for their APC box. On the other hand, the UPSBatteryCenter RBC154, product B, is a budget-friendly option at just $55. Reviewers have praised it for being a cost-effective solution for extending the life of their UPS units. Overall, product A is seen as expensive, while product B is considered affordable. Now, let's get serious and talk compatibility. Product A, the genuine APC UPS battery replacement, is compatible with a wide range of models including BE550G, BE550R, and BR650CI. Reviewers have highlighted its ease of installation and perfect fit. In contrast, product B is specifically designed for the BE600M1 and BN650M1 models. Some users did report a slight issue with terminal height, but overall, they found it worked perfectly. So product A is considered versatile, while product B is noted for being model-specific. Let's talk about the environment. Product A comes with a recycling program, allowing users to return their old battery through APC's RBC recycling program. Reviewers appreciate this initiative, as it makes recycling easy. However, product B does not offer a recycling option, which some users found disappointing. So, if you want to be eco-friendly, product A is the clear winner here, earning the title of sustainable, while product B is labeled as not eco-friendly. And now, let's talk about warranties. Product A offers a 1-year manufacturer warranty, which gives users peace of mind, as reflected in positive reviews praising its reliability. In contrast, product B has no warranty, leading to some concerns among users about its long-term performance. So if you prefer security, product A is your best bet, while product B is more of a risk-taker. Overall, reviewers appreciate the quality and reliability of both products, but they have different strengths. Product A is favored for its compatibility and eco-friendly options, while product B is praised for its affordability and ease of installation. So there you have it, folks. If you want compatibility, a recycling program, and a warranty that has your back, go for the APC UPS battery replacement. If you're feeling adventurous and want to save a few bucks, the UPSBatteryCenter RBC154 might just be your wild card. But remember, when it comes to batteries, it's always better to buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.